Garnet can be identified by its dodecahedron form, reddish brown color, hardness level 7, vitreous to resinous luster, and absence of cleavage. Garnet is used as abrasive. Garnet differ in their mode of typical occurrence. Some of them occurs in different igneous rocks, and some of them occurs in different metamorphic rocks. Talc can be identified by its white color, foliated form, pearly luster, one set of cleavage, and its special property is soapy feel. Talc occurs in low to medium graded metamorphic rock rich in magnesium. It is a major rock forming mineral, especially hydrothermally altered ultramafic rocks. Soapstones and talc schist are other talc rich rock. Talc is used as talcum powder. It is used as lubricants in ceramics. It is also used as a filler in paint and paper. Epidote can be diagnosed by its pistachio color, hardness 7, subvitreous to dull luster. Epidote has no significant use as an industrial mineral and has only minor use as a gemstones. Topaz can be identified by its pale brown to white color, hardness 8, and 2 set of prismatic cleavage. Topaz occurs in pegmatites and high temperature quartz vein, and also occur in cavities in granites and rhyolites. Topaz of diverse color is cut and polished as a gemstones. Please check out our latest videos where we studied the detailed characteristics of these minerals. I will give you the link of these videos in comment section or give cards here. That's all for today. See you in our next video.